Bless you. No, I just randomly pick up drinks.
Wasn't I holding Cassie's? I was like, never mind. I gave it back to her and Troy got me one.
Exciting. I know all these big dogs.
Hi, Andre. How are you doing? Are you going to take a chill pill? Have you had enough exercise? I told him he needed to chill and save himself because we, pace himself because we have the beach tomorrow.
Well, hopefully we can, restrict their sleep enough that they sleep the whole way there.
And we came to the conclusion when we're on vacation, I'm just going to start screaming every time they try to go to sleep.
Yeah, we're not going to let them sleep during the day anymore. We're going to keep them awake all day, forcing them to sleep at night. We've tried it. I'm like, yeah, but they still just sleep during the day.
Miles.
No, I don't have a big one today.
It's Miles.
I have a 1 and a 2. Hi, number 2.
And I have a sushi who's wet.
I guess I'll move.
Look at Dakota with Mom. Mom will protect me. Go, I can't see you. You're too close up.
Mom, take a picture of me. Mom,
You're too close. You just look like a big gray blur.